Hello amazing ladies and stunning women to my new video. Today I have got an exciting video that will amaze you with fantastic ideas for short haircuts. Get ready to be enchanted by the beauty, elegance and allure of these pixie haircut ideas that are sure to steal your heart. So ladies and women, let's dive into a journey filled with the magic of these hairstyles. Are you ready for some inspiration? This year we are showcasing the hottest trend in short haircuts just for you. These styles are carefully designed to leave a lasting impression, making you feel confident and absolutely fabulous. Prepare for a hair transformation like no other. I apologize for any background noise you might hear, please bear with me. And I promise it will not take away from your enjoyment of this video. Ladies, get ready to witness the beauty and elegance of these short haircuts. Each style is a work of art, crafted to make you fall head over heels in love with them. From sleek and sophisticated to bold, this collection offers something for everyone. Just imagine the shine, sophistication and pure elegance of these hairstyles. They are tailored to make you feel like a fashionista. These ideas will take your style to new heights, giving you a confidence and grace. Embrace the most stunning short haircut you have ever seen. Grayish, whitish, blackish and brownish colors. These are just a few of the magnificent colors that can enhance these hairstyles. Bright hair color has the power to transform your look, adding depth and dimension to your haircut. These carefully selected shades are meant to complement your unique characteristics. Prepare to be amazed by the transformation. These short haircuts can take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and youthful look. Witness the magic as your hair goes from ordinary to extraordinary. You'll be astonished by the impact these hairstyles can create. We would like to apologize for any background noise and occasional language barrier. Our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback are greatly appreciated. Unleash your inner fashionista with these stylish short haircuts. Whether you desire a chic and sophisticated bob or a pixie cut, this video provides endless inspiration. These hairstyles are designed to make a statement and showcase your unique sense of style. If you enjoyed this video and want for more incredible haircut ideas, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll receive notifications whenever I release new content, ensuring that you never miss out on any of the latest trends in hairstyles. So hit that subscribe button and become a part of our community of fabulous ladies and stunning women. Thank you for watching this video, ladies and women. Your support means the world to me, and I'm thrilled to have shared these amazing short haircut ideas with you. Remember, great haircut can work wonders for your confidence and overall appearance. And remember to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so you never miss out on any of the latest trends and hairstyles. So hit that subscribe button and become a part of our community of fabulous ladies and gorgeous women. As we are near to the end of this video, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video, ladies and women, and being a part of this amazing and enchanting experience. Your support fuels my passion to keep creating content that empowers and inspires your inner beauty. Your support means the world to me, and it motivates me to keep creating content that uplifts and empowers. Always remember you are stunningly beautiful, and with the right hairstyle, you possess the power to conquer the world. So, ladies and women, until we meet again, take care, stay stylish, and keep shining brightly. See you in the next video.